Is it recording?
I think it's recording.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, well, if it's recording.
Okay, it's recording.
So we're trying to kill this bug right here.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god, it's moving!
Yeah.
Ready?
Kill the bug. Kill it. You just crushed the water bottle, not even the bug.
Oh, no kidding! Oh my god, how do I kill it? I don't know how to kill it.
This is classic. I don't know.
This doesn't work anymore. I'll kill it with this.
What do you have?
My auto tuner that I broke when I dropped it at Honor Band.
Oh, well, kill the bug.
Should I just...
I don't know, kill the bug.
Oh, it's gonna make the most disgusting crunching noise ever.
We'll get it on video. Quiet. I want to hear the crunching.
Wait.
No, I'm kidding. That's gross. I hate the sound of crunching bones.
Ready? Oh, I'm really scared. It's gonna shoot guts everywhere.
This video is going on Facebook. Kill the damn bug.
I'm trying. Why don't you do it?
You're a wimp. Okay, here.
Come here.
Here.
Do it.
Here. Come.
Give me the camera.
Shane's gonna kill the bug.
What is this?
It's a tuner. Go kill the bug.
Damn. Of this.